Oh, you see that? Wow. Brothers, sisters, welcome back. Ito na naman tayo with our new version of camera. Syempre, shout out pala sa iClick Shop kay Miss Rubian. Siya yung nag-hook up sa akin ng very steal price na DJI Osmo Action Cam. Thank you iClick. So follow niyo sila sa Facebook, iClick TG Shop. Yes, brothers and sisters, today meron tayong sneaker basketball shoes unboxing, and this is another brand na Chinese dahil usong-usong China brand ngayon, and nag-hype sila and they really elevated their game in terms of basketball performance shoes. This is from Li-ning brand. And this is the Li-ning brand. Yan. So, nakita nyo yung box. And wala ba nakasulat? But this is an elegant box, no? Medyo glossy siya. And papakita ko na. This is the Way of Wade 6. Okay? Nakita nyo yung logo ni Dwayne Wade. So, this is Dwayne Wade's signature shoes. And this is, for me, one of the great na basketball shoes ni Dwayne. Yes, so wala siya sa stores, wala siya sa mga boutiques, and ang isa lang na nakita kong Li-ning store was in Trinoma, no, I think. Okay, isang quick history lang with Li-ning, no, yun nga, China brand siya. It's produced by China, lahat, everything, and they elevated their game talaga. Gusto nilang sumabay sa Nike, sa Adidas, sa Reebok, sa top brands ng basketball shoes and sa mga athleisure shoes. And ngayon ko lang nalaman, Li-ning is a name, no? At siya yung founder and owner mismo ng Li-ning brand. So it's a Chinese name. So si Mr. Li-ning ang owner ng Li-ning. At ngayon ko lang din nalaman na it was established in 1989 pa. Wow. So yun na, nag-start na sila with strategic collaborations with the Chinese basketball team, sa mga tennis team, syempre sa NBA, at yung 2008 Beijing Olympics talagang dun sila naging aggressive. Yun na, nag-start na yung tie-up with NBA players, si Baron Davis, kung nakakaalala siya, Shaquille O'Neal actually, Damon Jones, si Jose Calderon, Glenn Robinson III, at yun, syempre sila Evan Turner at ng Atlanta Hawks, si Dwayne Wade of course, and si CJ McCollum. And ang endorser ngayon is si D'Angelo Russell. Nakita natin yung pagpasa ni Dwayne Wade nung kanyang Way of Wade line. Pero ayun, Dwayne Wade was formerly with Jordan before he went to Li-ning. And bakit? Kasi deal was $10 million. So ito na siya, the Wow 6, tawag nila the Way of Wade 6. So you know, parang martial arts yung dating ng signature shoes ni Dwayne Wade. Well, ito may roomy siya. Ang tawag nila dito is the Old Rose colorway, and a unique colorway, a unique model kasi it's rare and maraming colorways na lumabas, but having na yung pair na hindi siya basta-basta nabibili sa store dito, I'm so lucky to have one. So ito na, medyo tip ko ng konting camera natin para makita nyo yung pag-unbox ko. See? Wow! Box pa lang, ang ganda na. So isa-isayin natin siya. Okay? Yes, so here is the Way of Wade 6. Ang yan yung logo. Ganda, di ba? X. We don't know what is the meaning of that. At yung kanyang box is parang very elegant, no? Parang may mga scale of triangles there. And sa baba, as you can see there, may mga QR code. The Li-ning Wade. Ayan. Li-ning Wade. Wayofwade.com. The Li-ning logo. And ito, I got it at 8.5, no? Kasi parang medyo roomy siya eh. So I went half my size, but I think this would fit great. So yeah, nakalagay wow 6. So let's open the box. Okay, wow. Makita nyo, this is very premium, no? Napaka premium niya. What we have here first ay ito, yung extra lace. Ayan, sinabi ko sa inyo ano nga siya? Old rose. So ang ganda nung kanyang aglet. See that? And I think this is reflective also. Kasi reflective yung outsoles nito kung makikita nyo. And the shoes is here, naka-net siya. Ayan. Way of Wade logo. Let's remove this. Ganda, oh. Solid. So we have the stickers sa loob. I think this is stickers, right? And ano po ba to? Yan. Wow 6 stickers in black and white. Ayos. May lagay sa kotse. Okay, so let's go with our pair. Yan, lagyan natin siya dyan. Close natin yung box. Here's the Way of Wade 6, no? So ang ganda nito, wow. If you want to see it in person, go ahead. Go ahead. Yan. And napaka-premium din nung kanyang eto, carry bag. I can use it for bowling. There you go. The Way of Wade 6. So as you can see, there is a Wade print there at the upper, and this is a knit, no? I don't know how Li-ning call this material. So it's more like medyo close sa battle knit ni LeBron shoes. And you have this laces na may speckles of gold. So ito yung stock lace niya, at yung kaninang pinakita ko nga yung very own rose pink. And going here, merong fuse sa sides. So this is for your protection as you slide along. And then syempre the Li-ning logo here, very premium. Medyo off lang yung kanyang pull tab, so nothing special. And you can see the Li-ning Way at the midsole. Now so you go along here, and yung panel, makikita nyo, hindi siya manipis na knit, no? But syempre yung strap na almost, it's a carbon fiber strap, no? I don't know if you can see it in the video there. And there's ano nakalagay, wow 6 Old Rose. As you go with the tongue, so yan yung logo Wade, and it's almost like yung nasa tongue is the material of the net, yung bag na net kanina. It is padded, no? Well padded. May logo rin ng Way of Wade dito. And net, yung padding niya, yung cushion niya sa loob is nice, no? Let me see kung matatanggal natin. It's removable, okay. Nice. So yan. Oh, you can see wow 6 written. And ito, merong Chinese character dyan. We don't know kung ano siya. At meron siyang parang protection dito sa heel, no? Nice. There's the Way of Wade logo. We go to the midsole. May parang speckle siya of white na dot 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 sa midsole. And yun nga, parang ang tawag nila dito is cloud, no? And eto, I just have to confirm what is this. Meron din siya doon sa other side. And there is some coordinates written here. Ayan, no? We'll have to check also that. This coordinates lugar. And nakalagay dito also the logo and Way of Wade at the midsole. On the other side, yan. Cushion is great. Ang medyo cons lang nito is yung dito. Hindi, wala siyang, nandito lang sa taas yung lock ng heel niya. But dito sa lower part, yung dito sa main cage, although it's hard, hindi siya ganun kakomportable, no? Kasi not unlike other pairs right now na halos pillow, may mga pillows na dyan to secure your heel. So ito gold to, it's a gold logo. Let's go now sa kanyang outsoles. There, wow 6, naka-embedded siya sa carbon fiber. See, the traction iba-iba, yung almost a herringbone dito but looks like a tribal mountain, and here it's different pattern. Nandito yung logo, and I hope hindi siya magpipick up ng dust fully. At yung maganda talaga dito is yung lockdown dito with the strap. Having the strap, mapansin nyo rin, yung structure is merong garter dito. This is elastic, so it's a garter type, so it is separated, no, from the tongue actually, and then magkakaroon ng strap and lockdown siya. And what's nice about this colorway is glow in the dark. Itong outsoles, we will check it out, na I'll turn off the lights if we can see it. It's glow in the dark. Okay, eto, we will check yung kanyang glowing in the dark features. So let's turn off the lights. Oh, we see that. Wow, hindi nga lang pa siya ganun katagal, but it lits literally. And yung speckles kanina ng white, I don't know if you can see it, no, but it really glows. Yung sa midsoles, glow in the dark pala siya. So I haven't exposed it yet, but it's really glowing here. Wow, solid. So that's it, the Way of Wade 6. I don't know if you can cap pa ngayon, but yeah, there are some resellers out there, so baka makachamba kayo. And join sa mga Facebook page like yung Chinese Enthusiast Basketball Shoes, Chinese Basketball Shoes, yan, marami yan nandyan lang sa Facebook. And can't wait to play with this kasi magkakaroon kami ng liga. So lalabas na naman yung Malaskati Thompson ko, no? So yes, this is the Way of Wade 6. It's so nice. Yes, baby. So thank you mga brothers and sisters for watching. I'll see you on my next vlog, and God bless everyone. Bye. Peace.